Good afternoon. Welcome to the news now. Today here we are with the special report on Prime Minister meeting with J&K veteran leaders in New Delhi. What people are expecting from this meeting? What are the people's opinions and expectations? Prime Minister Narendra Modi will meet with the political parties from Jammu and Kashmir today in Delhi at 3 pm. This meeting holds great importance as this is going to be the first national level dialogue between the centre and J&K parties after the abrogation of Article 370 and its bifurcation into two union territories. 14 prominent leaders from Jammu and Kashmir are scheduled to attend the meeting with PM. From the valley, big political leaders from National Conference, Dr. Farooq Abdullah, Omar Abdullah and PDP Mehbooba Mufti and Jammu and Kashmir Apni Party Chief Altaf Bukhari have confirmed to attend the meeting. While from the Jammu region, major political leaders like Ghulam Nabi Azad, Tara Chand, BJP's Ravinder Rana, Nirmal Singh and Kavinder Gupta, National Panthers Party Professor Bhim Singh and many other veteran leaders will be there. Home Minister Amit Shah, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and Home Secretary would also attend the meeting. While there is no agenda set for the meeting, the people of Jammu and Kashmir are looking forward to this meeting with huge expectations. There is no doubt that the people from all over J&K fully support the restoration of statehood, but there are many challenges that need to be addressed regarding the development and peace building process. J&K is required to undergo a delimitation exercise before assembly elections can be held there. The proposition of this delimitation exercise is also likely to come up for the discussion during the meeting. Many political leaders from Kashmir have admonished that the centre should release the political leaders who are detained since the abrogation of the article. Also, they have asked for the Kashmiri prisoners who are spending their detainment outside Kashmir should be returned to Kashmir jail so that they can meet their family often. In the Jammu region, there is a protest happening all over the state as some of the political leaders are very upset that they were not invited to the meeting. The Kashmiri migrants who are now living in the parts of Jammu city for 30 years are also holding a protest as they are not being called for the meeting. They express their disappointment that the meeting could have been of great importance for their return to Kashmir, why they are being ignored in this delegation. To restore the faith in democracy in J&K, the only option left is the assembly election. The representation of the people in the assembly can be a step towards peace and development, and also with this, the real sense of political stability can be achieved in the union territory. Thanks for staying with the news now.